Is it visible, children? Is it visible to everyone? Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Shravan. Yes, Izan. Wow, Izan. Yes, first finish, children. I'll tell you one trick in this. Okay? Come on, finish. Finish, huh? Very good, Shravan. Very good, Satvik. Satvik, Shravan. Then who else? Grithvik still doing? Arjun, make it fast. Kumaran, make it fast. Ryan, are you doing, Ryan?
Ma'am.
Yes, Nivin, show me. Wow, you don't have your slate? Where is your slate? Where is your slate?
Dining table.
Dining table. Ah. Or you have a plate? You have a plate, you can use a plate also.
I
Because in
don't.
that book, no, it is not at all visible. Very good, Satvik. Now, children, you have finished R, right? Now, you take off this sleeping line, standing line, and again the sleeping line. Now, what letter is this? What letter is this? Huh?
Three. Three.
Triya. Triya. Is this Hindi period or math period? What is this?
చూపించు
What is
మ్యామ్
this?
నువ్వు చూపించు
Ooh, you say ullu. Yes? Who say ullu. Now you take if you take that standing line, sleeping line and all, no? It will be
తీస్తా
oo.
Unity.
Namaste, Lakshraj.
Ma'am.
Yes. Ooh.
I finished.
Yeah, you finished. I saw. We finished a, right, children?
Rotational.
First we made a. Yes or no? Now we took off this sleeping line, standing line from that letter. That's it. When we take it off, it becomes oo. Yes, see here. Now we took this off, it becomes oo. This is not number 3.
Namaste, ma'am.
Yeah, namaste.
Namaste, ma'am.
Yeah, namaste, Sai Charan. This is oo. We're going to make a sleeping line, right? Above sleeping line. Now it's oo, correct? Correct, huh? Correct or wrong? Correct. Now, shall we make it as oo? Shall we make it as oo? What should we add to this to make it as oo? What should we add? Anyone tell me? Yes? Oo matra. Very good. Now, ma'am is adding oo matra to this. Yeah. See here. Ooh. Why, Sacharan, you are not doing? Where is your clay? Where is your chapati dough? Anything you have? Use it.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Children, everyone are having, right? Kumaran, are you doing, ma? Very nice, Roshan. Good. Ryan, Kumaran, I'm not able to see what you are doing. Ooh. Wow, superb. Well done, Lakshraj. Well done, Grithvik. Shravan.
Ma'am, could you say from the first, ma'am?
What first? First you leave it. Now you do what alphabet you see that you do.
Okay, because I joined today late.
It's okay, ma. Now I have shown you one letter, right? This letter you do. No issues. Maswin, you didn't do anything, Maswin. Where is your clay?
Number 3 is not having clay, ma'am.
Sorry?
Not having clay, ma'am.
Not having clay. Chapati dough you have?
I have to prepare, ma'am. I will
Oh
prepare it.
my god. I sent message already, so that's it I asked you.
I didn't see, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, no issues. Then you can write. You can write, Mama Arjun. Don't play with the slate. You can write. Arjun, show me what you have done. Very good, Arjun. Colorful. Ooh. Ooh say. What will come? Ooh say. Ooh say what? Anyone tell me? Ooh say.
Oh.
Ooh say. Oont. Very good, Saicharan. Ooh say. Oont. Yes. Yes. Very good, Nivin. Oont. Okay. Now, shall we change the letter? Now. Now you remove this.
Man, what you have? What we have just to play?
You have to make the letters. Swar. We are going to make swar. Again you make a. Again you make a, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Uh,
நான் இதை மட்டும் பண்ணி தருவேன் நீ தான் லெட்டர் வைக்கணும் சரியா
this is a, right? Come on, children. Unmute and show me, children, or else I can't see you. If you call me and tell me only, I can see you, okay?
த்ரீ வச்சுட்டு பண்ணு
Again make a. Very good, ma. Now we are going to add one more standing line here. One more standing line we are going to add. Then it becomes see here. Wait, ma, 1 minute. 1 minute, ma, 1 minute. 1 minute, children. Now I made see here. See here, First you make 3. First you make a string like thing with the dove. And then you make 3.
Done it, ma'am.
Try to do. You should not say that you are not able to do. You should try and do. See, others are doing. See, Saicharan. Come on, try. You can do it. Wow, Arjun. Very good, Grithvik. Very good, Arjun.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma. Whose is this? Very good, Izan. Very good, Ryan. Ryan, good. Now make you now you make You made oo, right? Now you make Very good, Roshan. Good, Roshan. Mahaswin, if you don't have clay, you have to write. Make ma, Lakshrat. It's not a. Another one. Matra I have to keep. Add one more standing line like this. Dayanand, are you doing, Dayanand? Yes. Now we are going to make O. O, how will it be, children? O, how will it be? See here. Only you keep as it is, and you are going to add one upar rekha. Okay. See here. This is O. Keep the as it is, and you are going to add one rekha. That's it. Yes, Nivin, tell me, ma.
I finished.
Very good. Now make O.
Ma'am, I finished it, ma'am.
Very good, Grithvik. O. Izan, make O. Very good, Lakshraj. Good. Good, Lakshraj. Nivin, do ma. Don't play. Do it. Arjun is doing good. Satvik, do ma. Oh. 7, show me. Show me. Show it. I didn't see. Show it. Good, Shravan. Very good, Shravan. Good. Next. Who else finished, ma? Roshan is doing. Izan, show me. Where is your sleeping line? This line. Where is it? Went to shop, Where is it? Don't laugh. Come on, do it correctly.
Sleeping line. Put sleeping line.
Sleeping line कहाँ है? खा लिया?
Yes. Oh.
Up correct. Very good. Good boy.
Ma'am.
Yes. Very good, Satvik. Very good, Kumaran. Good ma. Wow, Roshan, very nice. Good. I didn't see Dayanand's. Dayanand, I didn't see. Sai Charan, show me, ma. Are you making anything? Come on, show me. You have to do like this, ma. Have to mold it and do. Not like this. You should not do. You should not take it into pieces and you have to stick. To make it like a string-like thing, and then you have to do like this. Mold it and do. Come on, all together. You take the dove in your hand and you nicely make it as a ball. Nicely roll it as a ball.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma, Nivin.
I finished this.
Which? Oh, what letter is that?
Oh,
Now, children, what letter we made? All of you tell me. What letter is this? What letter is this?
oh,
Unmute and tell me, children. What letter is this?
oh,
O. We made O. Now, shall we make O? Say vocally we made. Okay, O say. What will come for O? Oakley. Now we are going to make ow. Ow, what we have to add for ow here? What we have to add for ow? Here only one rekha is here, right? We are going to add another rekha, okay? Shall we do it? Come on. Yes. Yes. Ow say aurat. Ow say aushadi. Here. Can you see? Yes, ma? Good. Good, ma. Shravan, good. And then Arjun, good.
finish it,
Well
ma'am.
done. Grithvik, good. What letter is this? Come on, those who finished, tell me.
Oh, madam.
Ow say.
Oh, madam.
Ow say. Aurat. Very good. Ow say aurat. Aurat. Okay. Now, all of you finished, huh? Shall we do the next letter? All of you finished? Yeah, very good, Nivin. Next letter is you are going to take all these matra. Okay. And then you are going to keep one dot on top. What letter is this? Going to take all those rekas and extra that standing line and all, and you are going to keep a dot here. What letter is this? Huh? Ambua. Children. Ang. Ang se. Ang se. Angur. Yeah, very good. Angur. Yeah, very good, ma. Ang se angur. Very good. Good. Ang se angur. Good. Very good. What is it? Sai Charan. Very good, Shravan. What letter is this, Shravan? What letter is this? Oh my God, children, you forgot. Ang se angur. Ang se angur. Very good, Satvik. Good. Good, good. Very good. Okay. Now we are going to keep two dots here. What will it become then? Yes? Yeah, I'm watching you, Nivin. Yeah, I saw. Next word we are going to make. We are going to keep two dots here. Lakshraj, are you making Lakshraj? Why so dull? क्या हुआ लक्षराज? तबीयत ठीक नहीं है क्या? तबीयत ठीक नहीं है? ठीक हो? नहीं? क्या हुआ? Okay, come on, make it. चलो करो.
I finished it, ma'am.
Very good, Grithvik. ये क्या है? लक्षराज, ये क्या है? बताओ.
See, what is that?
Aha. Now smile, please. Why Lakshraj is so dull today? Smile. Happy face. Where is happy face? Aha! All of you smile and say aha.
This is a
Very good, Lakshiraj. Good. You made it or your mama made it?
My
Good.
mommy
Who?
made it.
Mummy made it. Is this activity for your mummy? Activity is for your mummy? नहीं ना? हाँ तुम करो. तू करो. फिर से करो. Do it again.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Sai Charan. Good. Kumaran, Rayan. Kumaran, Rayan, what are you doing, children? Come on, show me what you have done. I'm going to move to the next word. Yes, ma. Very good, Kumaran. Good. Now again you take everything. Aha, we have done. Take everything. Again make it a small bowl. Ball like this. Now we are going to make E and E. E say Imali. E say Eek we are going to make. Okay, ready? Nicely you roll it, children. Then only you can make a string like thing. Thin string like clay. See, like this it should be. Very thin, no? Like this you make it very thin. See here. Keep it on the slate and you roll it. Then it will become like this. Don't roll it with your hands. Then it will not come properly. Keep it on the slate and you do like this. Then it will become like this. See here, ma'am is doing, see. Can you see? Yeah, done. Very good, Lakshaj. Do it. Now we are going to make E. First you have to make like S. If you are feeling very difficult, you can write in the slate first. Then above that, you can stick this clay. Okay? See here. I made S like thing here and then here like this. I am twisting it like this and I am sticking. Okay? Now I am going to stick a standing line. Here, a standing line and a sleeping line. E. Yes? First like yes you have to do. Then you twist it here and stick it. And then stick a standing line and a sleeping line. Come on, Roshan. Very good, Roshan. Well done, Roshan. Roshan, you are doing on your own, Roshan. Is it or Mama is helping you? Mama is helping you? Nova? Very good, Roshan. Good. Oh, she is doing this and giving you, okay. Very good. Come on. Dayanand, what are you doing, Dayanand? You didn't even make one letter. You don't have clay, ma? What, ma? Yes, Lakshraj. Finish? Done. Show me.
I finished it, ma'am.
Very good.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, good. Laksh. Aha, you made. Now you try to make this, Lakshraj. E. Very good, Izan. Good boy.
Amma.
Very good, Shravan.
Ma'am, I finished one.
Show me. Show me what you have done. Very good. Now we are going to make E. Shall we make E? For E, what we should do? What we should do? We should add E matra, right? So, E.
Banatu hai. Buti laha.
What, ma? Izan. Playing, E. Yes, E. Come on.
I finished it, ma'am.
I finished, ma'am. It's not finished, okay?
Ma'am, I finished, ma'am.
Oh, A also you made, Very good. Very good, Sai. E. Very good, Shravan. Well done, Shravan. Very nice, children. Arjun. Arjun. Where is Arjun? Arjun, what are you doing, Arjun? He finished. Let me know, children. Unmute and tell me if you have finished.
What, ma'am?
Yes, Arjun finished. Okay, good. Who else finished? Arjun finished. Sai Charan finished. Grithik finished. Roshan also finished. Then, who else? Ravan finished. Good. Next, who else? Okay, next we are going to do A. Shall we do A? How will make A? Come on, let me see anyone. Yes, except Sai Charan. Others, anyone can make A and show me. Okay, come on.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I finished.
That is E you finished. Now ma'am is making A. A say AD.
Done.
A say AD. Ma'am is making A say AD, children. Yes, Izan made a here. A say AD. A. I made it first. Izan, what is that? Eva? Is it right? Check and tell me. Izan, look here. Yeah. Sleeping line, black color. Okay, good. Standing line, slanting line, and then again one standing line, sleeping line. A. Very good, Roshan. Good. Shravan, good. Roshan, good. Arjun, good. Then, who else? Those who finished, make I. Don't take it, make I. For I, we have to add one I matra, right? Come on, I. Make I, let me
I
see.
finished it, ma'am.
Show me. I, Margaret, I. Make I.
Ma'am,
I, what will you do? A for AD, I say Ainak, right? I. Yeah, very good, Sai Charan. Make I. Very good, Arjun. Super Arjun. Upar Rekha. Yes. Good. Lakshraj. What are you doing?
Ma'am.
Wow, Lakshraj. Make I. Come on. Now make I.
I finished it, ma'am.
Yes, is yeah, very good. Yes, Izan, tell me, ma. Izan. क्या हुआ Izan? What happened to Izan? Izan. And Izan, unmute and tell me, Izan, what happened? Yeah, very good.
What happened?
क्या हुआ बोलना? क्या हुआ? Very good, Lakshraj. Come on, Izan, what happened? बताओ क्या हुआ? Open your mouth and say. Come on.
Tell me now, what happened?
बोलो क्या हुआ बोलो? हाँ? Look here. Look here. Look here. I'm going to tickle Izan now. Shall I tickle in his nose? Shall we tickle in his nose? Izan nose. Where is Izan nose? Where is Izan's nose? His nose? Nose. Okay, smile. Keep smiling like that. Okay, no crying. Okay? Come on, make eye. ऐसे नहीं रोते इंसान. I. Yeah, very good, Nivin.
I'm Rayan.
Ryan. Wow, Ryan. So nice to see Ryan. Very good, Ryan.
Wow, Rayan.
Wonderful, Ryan. High five, Ryan.
Thank you, ma'am.
High five, Kana. Come on. Good boy. Ryan is such a good boy. Make eye. Ryan, eye பண்ணுங்க. Make eye. Yes. What all letters we made, children, now? We made a, we made a say anar, a say am, e say imali, e say ik, u say ullu, u say unt. Then what will come? Sixth one. After who, what will come?
Rishi.
Did we make Rilse Rishi? Did we make Think Think? Did we make? No. Shall we make it? Shall we make Ryu? Come on, make it. Let me see who is going to do first. His ma'am is going to finish, right? Ma'am, Lakshraj or Sai Charan or Grithvik. Let me see who is going to finish first. Lakshraj is doing very fast, yeah? Want to win vanilla, ma'am? Huh? Sai Charan. Do it, do it. Arjun also doing very fast, but it is little bit difficult, children. Like cursive, yes, you will write, no? Like that, you have to do and stick it. Like this. Yeah? Rilse Rishi. Lakshraj. Come on, come on. Mizan, make Ru. Come on. Slowly make it. Everyone's mama is helping. Very good. Good mamas.
Ma'am Roshan.
Finished, huh? Very good, Roshan. Well done, Roshan. First is Roshan. Very good. I'm going to clap hands for Roshan. Very good, Roshan. High five, Roshan. Roshan, high five. Yeah, high five. Very good. Roshan is first. Next, who is going to do? Let me see. Come on. Ma'am is waiting.
Done, ma'am.
Done, na? Sai Charan. See, you make it little bit perfectly, Sai Charan. Shravan. Good, Shravan. Well done. Okay, second is Shravan. Okay. Next is Izan, I think. Izan. Yeah, Nivin. Good. Very nice, Nivin Surya. Izan also good. Very good, Izan. Perfect. Very good, Grithvik. I'm going to clap hands for all of you. Very good. Very, very good. Very good, Arjun. Wonderful, Arjun. Nice. Good.
See, ma'am.
Very good, Ma Lakshraj. Superb. Well done.
Ma'am, I did through, ma'am.
Yes? You didn't do?
Ma'am, I did
You
through,
didn't do?
ma'am.
I can't see, Ma. Little bit. Correct. Good. Correct, Ma. Izan. Good.
I'm Rayan.
Ryan. Okay, now only I'm seeing your face. Yeah, good. Correct, Ryan.
Ma'am, I finished.
Show me now. What is it? Sai Charan. See properly. Is that true what I made? See here, children. A say anar. A say am. E say imali. E say ik. U say ullu. Ullu. U say oonch. R say rishi. A say AD. I say ainak. O say okali. Au say aurat. Ang say angur. Sorry, angur. Okay, so today we finished all the swear letters, right? And we had a recap of swear also, children. Did you all enjoy the activity, children? Did you all enjoy the activity? Yes or no? Unmute and tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good.
Yes,
Yes,
Yes.
yes, very good, children. Finally, we'll finish off with our rhymes. Okay, what is the rhymes we sang in last class? What was the rhyme? No, do bhi aaya. Yes, do bhi aaya. Shall we sing do bhi aaya? Shall we sing do bhi aaya? Sing loudly, children. Okay? Do भी आया कितने कपड़े लाया 1 2 3 1 2 3 तो भी आया कितने कपड़े लाया 4 5 6 4 5 6 दो भी आया कितने कपड़े लाया 7 8 9 7 8 9 दो भी आया कितने कपड़े लाया What is it? Das. By bus. Yes? Very good, children. Now all of you close your fingers. Shall we count? Who is going to count with ma'am? Who is going to count? Yes, Gritrik already sang. Who is going to count? Lakshraja. Who is going to count? Arjun. Roshana. Okay, come on, Roshan. 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Very good. Arjun also good. Arjun also said correctly. Very good. Ryan. Where are you, Ryan? Yes, ma'am. Now come on, count, Ryan. Close your fingers and count correctly, Ryan. Come on. 1 2 3
चार
4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, after this, what we'll do? We have to clap our hands, right? You all forgot? Okay. Okay, now parts of the body, recap of parts of the body. Yes, Ankh. Touch your Ankh, children. Where is your Ankh? Ankhe. Ankhe, where is your Ankh? Touch your Ankhe. Come on. Ankh means this one, Ryan. Naughty boy. Which is your Ankh? Ankh means? Eyes. Very good. Ankh means eyes. Next, Khan. Khan hai. Very good, Lakshraj. Khan. Very good, Gritvik. Arjun. Good. Khan. Very good. And then, Ungliya. Ungliya. Where is Ungliya? Show me your Ungliya. Kahan hai Ungliya? Where is your Ungliya? Gritvik. Lakshraj. Correct. Ryan, what are you doing, Ryan? Ungliya. Okay. Next is your Haath. Where is your Haath? Haath. Where is your Haath? Very good, Arjun. Super ma. Haath. Which is your Haath? This is your Haath. Haath means hands. Okay. Then Dant. What is Dant? Dant. Show me your Dant. Arjun. Roshan, Dant ma. Dant. Where is your Dant? Very good, Roshan. Good. Very good, children. And thank you so much, children, for your cooperation. I'll see you in next class. Shukriya.